Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use the Gann Square tool in TradingView, and we'll be applying this live on XAUSD, so you'll see exactly how it works in a real-world example. Whether you're brand new to technical analysis or already familiar with TradingView, by the end of this video you'll know how to find the Gann Square and use it confidently to map out support and resistance levels, all in just a few steps. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, open up TradingView in your browser. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, you can set one up quickly, and most charting features, including the Gann tools, are available on the free plan. TradingView is pretty intuitive, so you'll find your way around easily. Once you're in, look towards the top of the screen for the Products tab. This is where TradingView keeps all its analysis features and charting tools. Go ahead and click it. Clicking Products is like opening up a toolbox as a builder. You'll find everything you need to analyze the market right here. Now, focus your attention over to the left-hand side of the TradingView interface. This sidebar is packed with drawing tools, indicators, and all sorts of helpful features. I know it can look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, after you've used it a couple times, it'll feel just like second nature. Scroll down through the list of tools until you spot the Gann Square. Sometimes it's tucked away among other Gann-related tools like the Gann Fan and Gann Box. If you're having trouble seeing it, look for the icon showing a square grid. That's your sign. These Gann tools are especially loved by traders who want to anticipate where price may pivot or reverse, so it's worth getting familiar with them. With the Gann Square found, just click on it to activate it. There's no setup process or complicated options to worry about at this stage. Once you've selected it, your cursor will change to reflect the tool is active. Now here, where you get hands-on with your chart. Let's say you're looking at XAUSD, that's gold versus the US dollar, a favorite among traders for its volatility and nice clean price action. With the Gann Square tool active, go down to the bottom of your chart, usually at a key swing low or starting point you want to analyze. Click once to set the anchor, then drag your mouse straight up to a significant high, often somewhere you'd want to see potential resistance or reversal. Think of it like drawing a rectangle along the price movement you're most interested in. The Gann Square will snap into place, overlaying its perfectly proportioned grid onto your chart. That's really all there is to activating the Gann Square. Bottom to top, click and drag, but it's important to pick your points carefully. The reason for starting at the bottom and going to the top is that you're essentially telling TradingView which price movement you want to analyze within the mathematical grid. The squares make it easy to spot symmetrical moves, potential zones of interest, or price cycles. If your square looks off or doesn't line up with your chosen moves, just undo and try again. It only takes a moment to adjust. And just like that, you've learned how to use the Gann Square in TradingView. Take your time to explore how different placements affect your view of support and resistance. The more you play with it, the more you'll start to see how Gann's theory can help anticipate price moves, almost like having a map to navigate the market. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into any issues, and make sure you subscribe for more practical trading tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.